Today, we're cracking the coordinate code. We'll learn how to read and plot points like 3, 4, and 0, 0 on a coordinate plane and see how they build shapes.
That means turning numbers into positions. It's like giving every point a secret location code.
Let's unlock the grid step by step.
Here's what you need to know. The first number, x-axis, tells how far to move left or right. The second number, y-axis, tells you how far to move up or down. Every point is written as an ordered pair. Always move on x first, then y.
Here's the question. Plot point 3, 4. Start at the origin, 0, 0. Move 3 spaces to the right on the x-axis. Then go 4 spaces up on the y-axis. That's where you land, on 3, 4.
Now plot 1, 2, 3, 2, and 1, 4. Plot them one at a time. Connect the dots. This makes an L shape, like the corner of a right triangle.
Let's graph point 4, 1. Move 4 right and 1 up. It's in quadrant 1 where both x and y are positive.
Plot 2, 2. 2, 4, that's a vertical line. 4, 2, that's a horizontal line. Now connect the points. You've made a right triangle at the bottom corner.
Start at 0, 0. Plot 3, 0. To do this, go right 3 and up 0. Plot 3, 4. Now go right 3 and up 4. Now connect all 3 points. It's another right triangle, standing tall.
Here's the code you always follow. The first number tells how far to move right or left, x-axis. The second number tells how far to move up or down, y-axis. Plot your points and connect them to make figures.
Math plus maps equals awesome.
Coordinate grids? More like coordinate grins.